Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this phone. So first of all, you have to enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Now click on Additional Settings, scroll to the bottom of the list and click on Backup and Reset. And here under Google Backup, just mark Backup My Data. And from now on it is active. Obviously, if you are not logged in with your Google account, you'll have to provide all the details over here under backup accounts. So here you'll have to provide your email address along with okay, so here you've got to provide email address or phone number along with the password. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.